Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel, and boy do we have a video today. We are going to be talking about how I made a little over $1,200 today by swing trading stocks. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. And if you guys want to learn more about swing trading and learn how to find these stocks and opportunity, I highly recommend going on and checking out my swing trading school where you guys can learn to trade. And I know when people think of YouTubers selling courses or online schools, they think it's a scam or they cringe, but guys, I'm telling you, it's different. It's absolutely fantastic. We have private live streams, we have a group chat, quizzes, lectures. It's absolutely great. And for the first 5 people, you guys can use code HALFOFF to get 50% off. So check it out down below. But guys, let's jump into this here. So looking at this stock here, you guys know it. You guys know it. We called this stock out last week, ticker symbol ABSI, and it did not disappoint. As of today, this stock did squeeze up. It was up over 10% earlier. We did get a little bit of some pullback earlier, in the afternoon here. As you guys can see, the stock did squeeze up, the stock did squeeze up, pull back a little bit, but the great thing about it is it is up another 1.7% after hours, which is always really, really strong to see. So how did we know, and why did I buy this stock? That is the money question that everybody has. So let's zoom in here. So you guys know we actually found this stock on Finvest, which, guys, if you guys want to learn how to find these places, check out my school. You guys can learn how, code HALFOFF. But anyways, you guys can see one of the things that we look for with swing trading, or at least for my strategy and mindset, is a stock with some sort of upward trend. You guys can see ticker symbol ABSI has that nice upward trend. Another thing that it has is heavy support near and around this 450 mark. And the reason why I say that is because you guys can see clear indications of getting a lot of buying pressure at that price, right? It hits it once, twice, and recently 3 times, which is really good for confirmation. Another thing that it has here that I think is important is old resistance. You guys can see it hits that resistance point 3 times, and each and every time selling off. Now, old resistance has tendencies of acting as new support, which is great. So you guys will think, all right, that's the only reason why he bought it. No. Another reason why he bought this stock was because of this blue line. This blue line is what we call a moving average line. It represents the past 90 days closing prices. It merges them together to form this line. Now, this line acts as trend indication, so you can look at it, instantly know the direction of the stock, as well as support and resistance. And what I mean by support and resistance is you guys can see that in the past, it's used it as resistance when the stock, falls below it. So if you're going to try to short this stock, you try to short it on the resistance line. But when the stock is above it, like it is up here, we've seen tendencies of getting a lot of buying pressure there. So you guys can see it hits it, great move. But that's not the only indicator we use. Another indicator we use is something called the RSI, also known as the Relative Strength Index, pretty much determining if a stock's overvalued, undervalued, and historically, any stock pretty much under a 30 or around a 30 is considered undervalued and can be looked at as a possible reversal. So you guys can see it was trading for near and around a 29. The last time it was trading for a 29 was right in here, where the stock went from about $1.11 to about $1.50, which might not seem like a big move, but that is near and around a 36% return. So all those indicators gave great indicators to get a lot of buying pressure. Now, you might be saying, well, Carter, the other position that you're holding did sell off a little bit, but yes, that's fine. We actually are out on this position. We got stopped out. So in the grand scheme of things, I really think that this is just a very, very basic strategy that you guys can use whether you're a beginner or you're somebody just getting started with trading. And here's the thing, if you want to learn more about trading or investing, I highly recommend checking out my school, as well as learn as much as you can. Since you guys are already watching YouTube videos, you're taking that first step to learn. And don't fund an account. Focus on education. Paper trade. Sign up with Moomoo to get, all the great scanners and charting I use. They're great. But yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to ask down below, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe, and don't forget, tomorrow, live stream, 1 p.m., and we'll see you guys there. Take care.